Hi, this is Mark Kemper with EMS. In this video, we're going to check out API's dynamic 9D LiDAR system.
To get started, let's first talk about what is a LADAR system, because a lot of people will confuse this with a laser radar or LiDAR type system. LiDAR systems are meant to scan large volumes for things like building information models, land surveying, and other forms of documentation. They typically send out multiple laser beams in a grid or cone style and use constant motion to cover millions of points very quickly. They are not meant for metrology or inspection. In addition, they struggle to capture fine details because of their limited point density and accuracy. Laser radar more closely replicates laser tracker measurements in a non-contact fashion. Laser radar units typically send out a single focused laser beam to measure features within a few meters of the unit at accuracies within a handful of microns. LiDAR is designed to be a marriage of LiDAR and laser radar. A true LiDAR system, like API's dynamic 9D LiDAR, uses a chirp interferometer laser to provide greater part coverage without sacrificing any accuracy. LiDAR systems can be used in all laser radar applications while adding the speed necessary to perform inline quality inspections for all kinds of manufacturing processes where speed, non-contact, and automation are required. API's 9D LiDAR system is able to measure points in all 360 degrees of space around it horizontally and 85 degrees vertically. This coordinate plane extends up to 25 meters from the unit in all directions. With 9D LiDAR able to hit points in this plane within a handful of microns depending on the distance. Using a Class 1 helium neon laser, dynamic 9D radar sends out 20,000 points per second while monitoring things like temperature, humidity, altitude, and other environmental factors. The 9D LiDAR system can be highly automated by mounting the unit on a rail system, robot, automated guided vehicle, and more. The part being measured can also be mounted on a turntable, assembly line, robot, or other automation system as well. This gives you unlimited flexibility to be able to inspect a part on a nearline or inline manufacturing operation. The system is also highly portable, allowing the user to take the system on-site for all types of inspection operations. The ability to perform hands-free inspections in tight, hard-to-reach areas or in situations that are impractical or unsafe for manual measurements are a huge benefit over handheld devices and laser trackers. The dynamic 9D LiDAR system works with many metrology software and automation systems, and EMS can work with you to develop a completely integrated and automated solution to fit your specific needs.
So that wraps up the video on API's dynamic 9D LiDAR system. Now, if you want to learn more about this or get an in-person or virtual demo, you can reach out to us at 877-845-2700 or send us an email at info@ems3d.com.